Does the ID3 looks like the promised Tesla answer? Well, I don't think so. And it got me wondered, how would I design the new ID3? By the way, I'm Omer, an industrial and graphic designer, and you are watching Electric Design. My electric redesign will be based on the original car, with the purpose of improving it by delivering a futuristic and sleeker appearance. For this redesign, I'll use the Golf as my major inspiration, including graphic elements from several generations. Sadly, VW designers didn't saw it that way. The Golf is one of the best all-around package model ever produced, and it holds this crown for centuries and served many happy customers worldwide. So, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And in the Golf's case, if it's excellent, just improve the formula. I personally think the VW ID3 design is disappointing. Therefore, VW reinvent their design language for their ID brand, their upcoming lineup of electric models. I had a chance to take a close look at the concept cars in the Geneva Motor Show a couple of years ago. And actually, I really dislike the new VW design philosophy for their upcoming electric cars, except of the ID Buzz, which I did a video on, designing the off-road version of this beautiful and practical van. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out. Overall, the front-end design is too vanilla and unrecognizable, and it's have no relation to the brand's long history of smart and efficient designs. This easily could have been a Kia or a Nissan design as well. My theme for this redesign is to bring back the subtleness and the clear design approach of VW, mainly by using clean and straight lines in relations with the rest of the exterior graphics. I cleaned up the font and made it look much more balanced by using straight lines and deleting some unwanted details for a general futuristic and unified look. I covered the black part of the bottom air intake and erased the polygonal pattern above in order to gain a clean and squared look. I also added an air curtain at both sides of the bumper in order to enhance the aerodynamic efficiency. Hey, if you like what you are seeing, please subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of electric car designs and many more are coming. So be sure to subscribe, it means a lot to me. Let's move on with the redesign. The main element I revised are the headlights, which looks sloppy with huge units connected by relatively thin and short DRL light strip. Makes the front look squashed. I stretched the upper section of the front ends toward both wheel arches to gain a much more wider look, as well as creating the beautiful squared silhouette from the 6th generation's Golf. And I made the headlights units much thinner with a distinct light bar with an pointy extension, like in the recent all-new VW Golf. I added below an opening with several circular beams as the main light units, and I used the circular shape from basically all past generations for inspirations. Next up is the side profile. The main issue I have with the side profile design is the curved greenhouse bottom silhouette, as well as the C-pillar graphics with those annoying polygonal pattern. So I straightened up all the major lines in the side profile according to the revision I made in the front end. Plus, covered the C-pillar with the same dark material like the rest of the upper rear elements, for a precise and simple look, dividing the body into two sections, while keeping it simple for the eye, like in all Golf's model before. I also did a full redesign of the VW ID4, in which I implemented the same design methods. I'll put a link in the description below, so you can check it out. The back end design is my favorite. It's clean with horizontal and balanced lines. I also like the intrusion of the greenhouse into the lower body, which enhanced the two-section theme and therefore makes it look simple yet futuristic, like in the Skoda Roomster concept and the Kia Soul. So I'll make only one and subtle change. I don't like the back corner silhouette. Their shape is too complex and features an uncertain direction. So I continued with a straight and boxy theme by straightening up this line. This results in a clean and continuous line stretching from the front wheelhouse towards the back end and onward to the other side while framing the back end bumper nicely like I did in the front. are inspired by the frame theme from the Golf and other famous VW models such as the Tiguan and the Touareg. And of course, no future electric car is complete without the future filter. There you go, the redesigned VW ID3. Who said electric cars are boring? I also made some more color variations. Which one is your favorite? So, what do you think? Would you prefer the original look or my clean and simple approach? Tell me in the comments below. There's a ton of electric designs coming your way, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.